Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make nacho cheese with no flour. First, gather your ingredients. You will need about 8 ounces of your favorite cheese, like sharp cheddar or Monterey Jack, half a cup of milk, and a pinch of cayenne pepper for a little kick. Make sure your cheese is shredded and your milk is at room temperature to help everything melt smoothly. This simple method ensures a creamy, delicious sauce every time. Now, let's get melting. Place a saucepan over low heat or use a double boiler to prevent scorching. Slowly add your shredded cheese to the warm milk, stirring constantly with a whisk or spatula. The key is patience. Don't rush the process. Keep stirring until the cheese is completely melted and the mixture is wonderfully smooth and uniform. This gentle heat prevents the cheese from becoming oily or grainy. Once your cheese is melted, it's time to perfect the flavor. Stir in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and that pinch of cayenne pepper we mentioned earlier. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasonings as you like. If the cheese is too thick, add a tablespoon or 2 more of warm milk until it reaches your desired consistency. This step ensures your nacho cheese is perfectly seasoned and wonderfully dippable. Your delicious, flour-free nacho cheese is now ready to enjoy. Pour it generously over a pile of crispy tortilla chips, hot fries, or steamed broccoli. For any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. When reheating, do so gently over low heat, stirring frequently. And hey, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, be sure to check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade nacho cheese.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.